Have you completely forgotten about me? Us?
I don't know.
You should know. You can see in your eyes. The way you play that part, that's not acting. That's true.
Can you please not talk about this?
We have to.
Why? You can't just always get what you want.
Yeah, like I do always get what I want. All I ever got, it's a silence, or I don't know. See? It's like now.
Break's over. Let's continue with scene 23.
What happened, man? You look angry.
I am. This is your favorite fighting scene after all.
Kamera. Rolling. Action.
What happened to us all?
I don't know. Just when I thought I'm over you, everything just came back like it's only yesterday.
Do you still have those feelings, Robert?
What? You cannot just asking questions like that to anyone.
But it's you all. You are not just anyone. All.
Just leave me alone.
Why? Why are you always being like this? For your conversation instead of finishing it.
Just leave me alone. Leave me. We decided to leave out our relationship that night.
Okay? Just to remind you, you left me.
Cut.
Are you alright, Al? Yeah, I'm good.
Al, it's me, not him. I'm your best friend and I know you are definitely alright. It's about him again, isn't it?
Maybe.
It's about him. Here, come to Mama. Now, tell me or I'll break this slender neck of yours.
And so I tell her everything.
What everything?
Everything. I don't have to explain everything. That's why it's called everything.
You have to.
Why? Why do you suddenly care? Why don't you just be the ignorant bastard you always be?
Then why did you bring this up at the first place? You can't bring this up and leave it there. What do you expect me to do? Fill the blanks? I'm excited now. I can read your mind. And I do care about you. Always.
Do you? Then how come I never feel so? All these times we spent together, what did I always ask you for? To care about you, but you never
I
did.
did, but you just don't understand.
Then how do you expect me to feel your caring when I can even understand it?
It's not important.
Then tell me what is important.
The fact that I love you all. It's love, not love. I love you 3 years ago, year after, and I love you now.
Cinta memang buta, tapi cinta seharusnya nggak kebal. Lantas kenapa ada KDRT? Apa cinta sebegitu hebatnya sampai bisa bikin orang rela dipukulin setiap hari dengan mengatasnamakannya? Cinta itu pembunuh, makanya banyak orang mati bunuh diri karena putus cinta. Tolol, cinta itu tolol, makanya banyak orang mati bunuh diri karena putus cinta. Cinta itu serial pertanyaan, cinta itu Tuhan. Nggak jelas. Cinta itu nggak jelas. Nggak jelas itu kita. Cinta itu kita.
Ren,
Arifna.
Ren, you should move on, Ren. There's no possible future for us.
Cinta itu serial pertanyaan. Dan untuk saat ini, jawabannya bukan kamu.